Hello everyone. Today I am going to share an app with you, which listing the location of the free COVID-19 swab test. The app is published as a public app. I will share the installation link in the video description. Let's start now. In the menu, I will share this tutorial video in the tutorial option. Just click on the tutorial option. Then it will bring you to this tutorial video. You may direct play this user guide video in the app. Let's proceed to the next. The About option, listing the app information. This app is created voluntarily. All the information in the app is referring to this website. If you found an error in the app, or information is incorrect, kindly feedback to us via email. Next, the Share option. You may share the app with your friends and families, by just click on the Share option. The app is built with two pages, the main page and the map page, both of them serving a similar function with different views. Let's start with the map view first. In the map, the red pin showing the location of the free swab test. Click on the red pin to further check the location information, such as the location name, address, and the operating date time. Further click on the map icon to navigate to the selected location. Click on the car icon, the app will auto-start the Google Map and showing the direction to the location. We may further filter the information by entering the search keyword. Or we may use the filter function here. Always click on this sync button to get the latest info. Clear the filter to list all info. Let's proceed to the main page. The information listed here is sorting by the operating date. Click on the particular record to check the details. Click on the map icon to start the navigation. We may use the search and filter function too, same as map view. You may found that some of the records are yet to announce. For this type of record, we didn't know the location and an operating time yet. We will update the info from time to time. That's all for the tutorial. Bye.